Hello, welcome to In-and-Out of OutSystems, where I will show you something cool and useful in OutSystems in 5 minutes. I'm Craig St. Jean from NetLink Digital Solutions. Let's go. So today I'm going to show you how to adjust your API endpoints within different environments of your application. And the idea here is that when we have a development environment, we want to point to dev APIs. When we move to test, we want to point to test APIs, prod to prod APIs. But we don't want to have to build in some configuration capabilities of our application. Luckily, OutSystems has that exact capability already ready to go for you. And that's what I'm going to show you. So what I have here is just an account demo application. It just calls an accounts API and displays them on the screen. And you can see here, this is my API, and it's pointing to dev.craigstjean.com. Since I'm in the development environment, that's exactly where I want that to go. Now, if I open this up, reload the page, we can see it's pulling, and it says demo account 2, with some obviously fake numbers in there. Now, to control these within OutSystems, what you can do is go into Service Center. Service Center allows you to administer any individual aspect of any individual OutSystems environment. So if we go into the factory, as you can see here, we have applications. I've already selected the account demo, and I can go into the accounts demo module, and here I can click on integrations. And here we can see any integrations that are being used within this application. And furthermore, we can also change them. So I can click on this, and I can see the default URL is dev.craigstjean.com, but I can change the effective URL to something else, like prod.craigstjean.com. And as we then make further deployments within our application, it's going to remember the currently configured effective URL. Now, I want my demo application in dev to point to my dev API. So let's go ahead and open up Lifetime and promote this application into production. And what we're going to do is change that endpoint once we've deployed it. So we're going to say accounts demo, add to the deployment plan. Give it a moment. Have to add a lot of things because this is a rather empty demo environment. We will continue on. And now you can see we have configure application settings. This is not where we can change it. This is more just for site properties, but a good thing to know. If I had to find some site properties in my application, I could also change them here for this further environment. I can continue. And let's go ahead and deploy to our production environment, so that way I can adjust the effective URL. And I'll go ahead and speed this up for you. Perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and open this application in our production environment, which is still pointing to our dev API. As you can see, now I'm going to change that. So I'm going to go into environments, and I'm going to open up my production service center, go into factory, accounts demo, and then go into the module. And we're going to go to that integration screen I told you about before. We're going to click on this, and we're going to change this effective URL to something else. In this case, to this URL. And now, if I refresh, we can hit my production API, which is going to show against some fake numbers of my checking and savings accounts. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time.